Hey guys, I just want to talk you through reinstalling a glueless frontal on an old wig. So if you are a newbie, I would suggest going to a professional to install it the first time so they can help you cut it, because placement of frontal is very necessary. You can see me trying to ensure that it is exactly beside my ear so that it's not lipped. So you make sure that they are both laying really flat at the both sides of your ear. So what you will need for this install is a hot comb, a blow dryer, and your melting spray. In this video I'm using one other brand of melting spray, but you can also use Got2b, as that is the most popular one in Nigeria right now. So once you put it, you try to push all the hairs behind, besides like the hair that has been cut aside for edges. You can leave that one forward, but you try to push all the hair behind so that your install will be as neat as possible. Then you keep blow drying it. Most people think that once you put the melting spray you should just tie it down, but before tying it down you ensure that your blow dryer has like blown the melting spray and it is stuck. As you saw me earlier in the video, you can use like a hot comb, a normal comb, to like tap it down to ensure that it is really melting into the skin. This is an old lace, so you can see that the middle part is shedding. So I'm just using a black mascara to fill in the gaps, then combing it down. This papaya hair wax is very good for edges. That's what I use for my normal day-to-day edges and what I'm using for this hair. Then I'm using these scissors to just go in there to just like trim some like excess looking things that made it look quite rough in the beginning. This is my sister being a fish as usual. So yes, you leave the band on for like 10 to 15 minutes. I left it for the duration of straightening the hair to ensure that so yeah, this is just the install. It's glueless, it goes off with water, but I still tie my own down and take it for like 3 days, 1 week. Then I can put in the spray and adjust it as I see fit. So right now I'm just using my foundation to like tap on any excess space to make the install all perfect. Like, look at me, oh so gorgeous, beautiful. So yeah.